The 8th-generation Toyota Camry XV70 became one of the most popular midsize sedans thanks to its comfortable suspension, good fuel economy, spacious interior, and generally strong reliability. But even this Camry is far from perfect. Some owners face engine oil consumption, transmission quirks, weak paint quality, electronic glitches, and expensive hybrid repairs. Many problems depend on the engine version, maintenance history, and driving style. One of the most common complaints about the XV70 is thin paint and soft clear coat. Stone chips appear quickly on the hood, front bumper, roof edge, and doors. Dark-colored cars especially show scratches and swirl marks after a few washes. Rust resistance is decent overall, but paint damage left untreated may eventually lead to corrosion around chips and wheel arches in harsh climates. Windshields are also relatively fragile. Many owners report cracks from small stones, especially during winter temperature changes. Chrome trim around windows and grille elements may lose shine or develop oxidation after several years. The cabin looks modern and comfortable, but not all materials age well. Piano black plastic scratches extremely easily. Door panels and center armrests may begin squeaking after 40 to 60,000 miles. In colder climates, rattles from dashboard plastics become common. The seats are comfortable, but leather upholstery on higher trims sometimes cracks or wrinkles prematurely. Another common issue is failure of seat ventilation fans and heating elements. Panoramic roofs on certain trims may begin creaking or occasionally leak if drainage channels clog. The XV70 introduced more electronics than previous Camry generations, which also increased the number of electrical complaints. The infotainment system may freeze, reboot randomly, or respond slowly. Bluetooth connectivity issues and Apple CarPlay glitches are common on early production years. Backup cameras sometimes fail intermittently due to wiring or moisture issues. Owners also report problems with parking sensors, radar cruise control calibration, and malfunctioning keyless entry systems. Weak factory batteries can create strange electronic behavior, especially during cold weather. The 2.5-liter A25A FKS engine is generally efficient and reliable, but not completely trouble-free. One of the most discussed issues is coolant seepage from the electronic water pump and thermostat housing. On higher mileage engines, coolant leaks may appear unexpectedly. Some owners report rough cold starts and noisy operation caused by the high-pressure fuel injection system. Oil consumption is not widespread, but can appear after poor maintenance or long oil change intervals. Carbon buildup on intake valves may develop over time because of direct injection design, although Toyota's dual injection system helps reduce this problem. The 3.5-liter 2GR FKS V6 delivers excellent performance, but maintenance costs are noticeably higher. Oil leaks from timing cover seals and valve covers are relatively common after higher mileage. The direct injection system may also contribute to carbon buildup. Another expensive issue involves failure of ignition coils and catalytic converters if the engine is neglected or driven aggressively. The V6 generates substantial heat, and cooling system maintenance becomes especially important. Repairs under the hood are also more difficult because of the cramped engine bay. The Camry Hybrid remains one of the most reliable hybrids on the market, but long-term ownership still brings several expensive risks. The hybrid battery usually lasts a long time, but replacement costs remain high once degradation begins. High-mileage cars may also develop inverter cooling pump problems or failures in hybrid system sensors. Some owners notice excessive noise from the electronic continuously variable transmission under acceleration. In cold weather, hybrid efficiency drops significantly and battery performance may feel inconsistent. The 8-speed automatic transmission on gasoline models became one of the most criticized components of early XV70 cars. Many owners complained about hesitation, jerking, harsh downshifts, and delayed acceleration response, especially in 2018-2020 models. Toyota released multiple software updates attempting to improve shift logic. In some cases, adaptive learning causes unpredictable behavior in city traffic. Hard acceleration from low speeds may feel awkward because the transmission struggles to choose the correct gear quickly. Complete transmission failures are rare, but fluid neglect can significantly shorten lifespan. The suspension provides excellent ride comfort, but several components wear earlier than expected on rough roads. Front stabilizer links and bushings often begin knocking after moderate mileage. Some owners also report premature wear of wheel bearings and rear shock absorbers. Electric power steering occasionally develops clicking noises or vague steering feel. Low-profile wheels on sporty trims increase the risk of bent rims and suspension stress. The brake system is generally reliable, though some drivers complain about warped brake rotors, causing steering wheel vibration during braking. Hybrid models may also develop an inconsistent brake pedal feel because of the transition between regenerative and mechanical braking. Another common complaint is excessive road noise. Despite improved insulation over older Camrys, highway tire noise remains noticeable, especially with larger factory wheels. The Toyota Camry XV70 is still one of the safest choices among modern midsize sedans, but is not the indestructible machine many buyers expect. Thin paint, transmission behavior issues, electronic glitches, and expensive hybrid repairs are the most common weak points. Regular maintenance, frequent fluid changes, and careful inspection before purchase are critical. Well-maintained examples can easily provide long service life, but neglected cars may become surprisingly expensive to repair.